Am I the only one that didn't know space could scream? Let's dive in. Welcome to Unbelievable Space Oddities. Today we'll blow your mind with the top 6 bizarre things found in space. First up, did you know some black holes scream? Okay, technically they emit X-rays that sound like a scream when converted to audio. Creepy, right? Next, how about a planet made entirely of diamonds? Meet 55 Cancri E, a planet so bling even rappers would be jealous. Number 3, there's a giant cloud in space of alcohol. But don't get too excited, it's not the drinkable kind. Chuckles. Fourth on our list, space has a giant wall. It's called the Hercules Corona Borealis Great Wall, and it's the largest structure in the universe. Number 5, the Boomerang Nebula. It's the coldest place in the universe, even chillier than deep space itself. And finally, zombie stars. These are stars that come back to life by sucking the life out of nearby stars. Vampire stars, anyone? That's our top 6. Like, share and follow for more cosmic craziness.